Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue chapter number 11, past tense. So, do you remember what we learnt in the last class about past tense? Let us revise. Okay? There are how many types of tenses? 3. Past tense, present tense and future tense. What are past tense? The verb in the past tense tell us about actions that took place some time ago. And we also learnt there are 2 types of past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense. Last class, we learnt about simple past tense and how we change the verb into simple past tense. We add D or ed to change most of the verbs into their past tense forms, right? Like play, played, dance, danced. But all verbs do not change into their past tense form by adding D or ed. Some verbs take a special form when they are used in the past tense. In some verb, the spelling changes when they change into past tense form. Some verbs change completely or do not follow any rule while changing. They change into past tense in irregular ways. For example, eat, ate, buy, bought, go, went, ring, rang, come, came, fly, flew, find, found, teach, taught. Before we start learning about past continuous tense, let us complete one exercise on simple past tense. So, open page number 46. We will do exercise B. Ready with your book, children? Now here a paragraph is given. Okay, the paragraph is about Rohit's daily routine. You have to read it, and on the next page you have to write what Rohit did yesterday. Now in the paragraph, the words that are underlined are in present form. You have to write them in past tense form. And when we rewrite, you will not write the whole paragraph. I will tell you how you have to write it. Okay, so let's read the paragraph and learn what word will come for these verbs underlined. Let us read. Rohit gets up at 7 a.m. What will be the past tense of gets? Got. He has a bath. Past tense of has? Had. Then he has breakfast. Again, past tense of has? Had. He leaves for school at 7:45 a.m. Past tense of leaves? Left. He goes to school by the school bus. Past tense of goes, went. In school, he studies till 2 p.m. Past tense of studies, studied. He reaches home at 2:15 p.m. and has lunch. Past tense of reaches, reached, and has, had. Then he rests for some time and finishes his homework. Past tense of rests, rested, finishes, finished. In the evening, he plays with his friends. Past tense of plays, played. After dinner, he goes to bed at 9:30 p.m. Past tense of goes, went. So children, all the words that we learnt, we will write them down on the next page. Page number 47. Can you see this page? Now I will show you how you will write it. Okay, first of all, draw a straight standing line like this between the page. Okay, after that you will put numbers. Start putting the numbers the way I am writing. 1, 2, leave one block and then write. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the words that are underlined in the paragraphs, you will write the word in present tense form and the past tense form of it that we just learnt today. So let's write the first word, gets, got, has, had. Now the words that are repeated again, we will not write it. Okay, like has and goes, they are repeated twice or thrice. We will only write it one time. Next, leaves, left, goes, went, studies, studied. Number 6, reaches, reached, rests, rested, finishes, finished. And the last one, plays, played. Okay, once again I tell you, do not write the paragraph. You will only write the past tense form of the words given in the paragraph. And do not repeat the words. We will write them only one time. Now let us go to past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. We use was, were, and add ing to main verb to change it into its past continuous form. Now children, reading this, do you remember something? Similar thing that we have done in previous class? Yes, present continuous tense, right? In present continuous tense, we were using is, am, are, with verb ending with ing. Here we are using was and were with verb ending with ing. And what did I tell you? That wherever it is written past, you will use was and were, and wherever you see continuous, you use verb ending with ing. Correct? You have to remember this. Let us see when we use was and when we use were. We use was with I, he, she, it and all the singular nouns plus verb ending with ing. And we use were with we, you, they, all the plural nouns and verb ending with ing. Let us learn them with the help of examples. Was we use with he was, she was, it was, I was, all the singular nouns and all the singular pronouns like everybody was, somebody was, nobody was, everyone was, someone was, no one was, plus verb ending with ing. Let us see the examples. I was walking in the park. With I, we use was. I was. And what is the verb? Verb is walk plus ing. It becomes walking. I was walking. Then she was. With she, we use was. And what is the verb? Eat. Eat will become eating. She was eating. He was driving the car. What is the verb? Drive plus ing. Driving. He was driving. Next, it. With it we use was. It was. And the verb is play. Add ing to it. It becomes playing. It was playing with a ball. Next, were. We were. They were. You were. All the plural nouns plus verb ending with ing. Let us look at some examples. We were playing football. We were. With we use were and the verb is play plus ing. Playing. We were playing football. You were. With you we use were. Verb is drive. Add ing. It becomes driving. Okay, you remove e and you add ing. Driving. You were. Next, They were eating cake. With they, you use were. Eat will become eating. They were. Now it's time to do exercises on past continuous tense. So let's start. Exercise E and F we will do today on page number 47 and 48. Page number 47. Let us read all together past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. We use was, were, and add ing to the main verb to change it into its past continuous form. For example, I was studying at night when the storm came. Here, look in the bracket. With I, you write was plus study plus ing. Next example, Rohit and Anisha were sleeping when the alarm rang. In brackets, were plus sleep plus ing is were sleeping. Now, exercise number E. Use the past continuous was, were plus ing forms of the verbs given in brackets to complete the conversation. So let's read together. Tashi. Hello, Lily. I must ask you what you dash last evening. So Tashi is asking Lily what you dash. What will come here? You. With you we write were. You were. Do will become doing. So let's write you were doing. Let's read what Lily says. I dash for my exam on Friday. Why? With I, what will go? Was, right? So I was, study will become studying. So write, I was studying for my exam on Friday. Why? Tashi, I was trying to call you, but your phone was switched off. Lily, yes, I switched off my mobile phone to concentrate better. I am sorry. Was it something urgent? Tashi, no, not really. There was a film festival at the India Habitat Center last night. They were playing a famous animated film. Some friends and I were going to watch it. Exercise F. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. So you have to write the words given in bracket in past continuous form. right? Now here continuous means ing, verb ending with ing, and past means was, were. So let's do number 1. Sania's parents dash at home on Sunday. Parents are there, that is plural, so were relaxing. With parents we write were and relax will become relaxing. Number 2, Ramit dash a new dance step. Practice. Now Ramit is singular, so was, and practice will become practicing. When you write practicing, remove e and add ing. Was practicing. Number 3, Ahmad and Zahira dash how to bake a cake. Now we are talking about 2 people, that is plural. So what will come here? Were, and learn will become learning. Were learning. Number 4, the cat dash with a ball of wool. Cat singular, so was playing. Number 5, I dash my brother. With I, what goes? Was. So I was, trouble will become troubling. Remove e and add ing. Was troubling. Number 6, the boy dash to solve the sum on his own. Boy, so was, and trying. So write was trying. My mother dash the car. Mother, so what will come? Was. Drive will become driving. Remove e from drive and add ing. Was driving. Remember children, all the verb when you add ing and they are ending with e, remove e and then add ing. Last one, the policeman dash a thief. One policeman, so was will come. Was, chase will become chasing. Was chasing. So children, here we complete past tense. I hope you understood present tense and past tense. In the next class, we will start future tense and we will revise once again present tense and past tense. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day. Thank you.